Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the image of your folders and change the overall things so you can sort it better. So, as you can see, this is actually a folder that's disguised as an application. It might just look like the old texture for Microsoft Edge. I have the same with my security tab, my school tab, uh, I have also with my editors, and as well as games. It's a great way to just organize all your things with images instead of just looking at the plain boring folders. So what we're gonna do is create a new one. So what you're gonna have to do is right click on your screen, hit new, and then hit folder. And then you can name this folder whatever you like. For example, I'll be naming it test folder. And then you hit enter, and then now you got your folder, which you can interact with, and y'all know how folders work. And so what you're going to want to do is right click it, and then you're going to have to go down to the very bottom where it says properties, and this will allow us to change the overall look. And then you'll be taken straight to the generals tab, and it also has other options such as sharing, security, and stuff. But what we want to go is to the customize, and customize is where we can change what we want. At the very bottom, there will be a tab showing change icon, and that's what you're going to want to click. Once you're in this page, you'll see just a bunch of options that you can click on to change your icon of your folder. And so, there is many of options that you can use, as well as customize your very own with the top right corner where it has browse dot dot dot, and that's when you can upload your own image to make a custom image. But if you don't want to do that, just use the icons options that are already here. Most of them are from older icons from the older versions of Windows, but yeah, you can just change it to wherever you like. So I'm gonna try to find one that I can use for the test folder. This is a folder with an X on it. What you're going to want to do is hit OK, and as you can see, it shows the little icon that we selected. Then we're going to hit apply, but as you can see, first let me show you the folder. It doesn't have the texture yet. So what you're going to want to do is hit apply and then OK. And then as you can see, our folder changed, and it's still the same folder just with a different texture. As you can see, I can interact with it, stuff like that, and I can put stuff in it like a regular folder. Let me get rid of that. So yeah, that is how you change the texture of your folder. You can go to properties again and go back to customize, change icon, and you can change it unlimited times. There's no limit to how many times you can change the icon, which is handy if you change your mind or want to change a folder. So yeah, there's a lot of ways that you can just customize it to make it look better, in my opinion, and just to help organize your things. So once you have it, for this next thing, I'm going to be showing you how to delete large quantities of old folders that you don't want. So I'm going to hit copy and then paste, and then just keep pasting a bunch of times so I can show you how this works. Alrighty, I think that's enough. Alright, so you got your folders and you want to get rid of them. So you're going to click on your folders, and then you can select the sides by hitting the viewing by right clicking, sort by, and then name, date. But view, you can change to large icons, small icons, and large icons you can probably see them better and click on them easier. Or if you have a lot of them, you can turn them really small, and you can use them like that if you have like a large amount of folders. So let me sort this back up. I'm currently operating on Windows 7, but this works for Windows 10, and I think most Windows versions out there. And so, you can change I'm going to change it back to default so it's easier to see. And you can just, this is how you delete files in mass quantities. So, for instance, I am going to hold left click and then swipe it across to select a bunch. And then I'm going to have to click on the folder and hit delete. And that is how you do large quantities and delete them. But it will not work if you just, click somewhere else. Then it cancels the thing. And if you have had a problem with this, don't worry. You just need to make sure to click on a folder that's highlighted. And there is no limit to how many folders you can highlight. You can highlight as many as you want at a time. Even all the shortcuts on your computer you can just delete just by making sure that they're all highlighted in blue. Now let me sort this back out. Delete these last few. Empty recycling bin because I have a lot. And there we go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.